Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a half joint with OneClick. Firstly, we can use a half joint from the library. Select the logo icon. And from the library, bring out the half joint. This is a component and we can customize it. Select Properties and then select the half joint. We can choose whether the vertical panel is shown out or the horizontal panel. Tick or untick the checkbox. Frame width, height, and depth are the dimensions of the frame. For example, frame width 600, frame height 600, sheet thickness 17 mm, safe gap, I'm gonna use 20 mm as a demonstration so that we can see it clearly. So this distance is 20 and this distance is 20. And the safe gap too, 20. It's this gap between the two panels. Next, to divide the half joint, there are two ways. First, a slash and the number of equal parts. Or in the box, we can enter the dimensions. For example, for horizontal division, enter 100, then the first part is 100 in height. To have more divisions, separate them with a comma, 200 for example. And it's going to be divided from bottom up. Fitting. To do edge banding, select the type and take Generate Fitting. Besides, we can also add a half joint into another frame. Select the half joint and put it into the section. When it shows yellow like this, left click and it will fit in. And we can also customize the half joint just like the other one. And divider inset. Type in the inset values, for example 17. Then the dividers are going to come inward. But if we enter a negative value, minus 17 for example, then it's gonna go out like this. Next, we can also create a half joint manually with a tool, fitting tool. For example, these two panels cross each other. Select the tool, fitting tool, and then in half joint, select the type, then click on the tool panels. So this is how we create a half joint or use a half joint from the library. For more tool instructions, see you in the next videos.